Hi friends, this is Pushpalata. It is marginal standing facility. Friends, marginal standing facility was introduced in the year 2011 by RBA. I'll see friends, when the amount allotted under repo rate exhausted, then commercial banks have an option to borrow money from RBA at a penal rate through marginal standing facility. See friends, when even though amount allotted under the repo rate exhausted, commercial banks have an option to borrow money from the RBA by using this marginal standing facility. Okay, friends. See, friends, this is a penal rate. I'll explain you. See, friends, this marginal standing facility is the loan for overnight, friends. Okay, friends. Repo rate is known as policy rate and is used as a signal to the financial system to adjust their lending and borrowing operations. Friends, Monetary Policy Committee announces the policy rate, that is repo rate. With this repo rate is useful for the banking system. Okay, friends, repo rate is used as a signal to the financial system to adjust their lending and borrowing operations. I'll explain you here, friends. Don't worry. See, friends, if we add 0.25% to the repo rate, then we can get marginal standing facility rate, friends. If we see, friends, why do we need to add 0.25% here? Because 0.25% is a penalty. So we need to add this 0.25% to the repo rate to get marginal standing facility rate, friend. Okay, friend. Okay. What is reverse repo rate, friends? If we deduct 0.25% from the repo rate, then we can get reverse repo rate, friends. Okay, friends. See, friends, these gaps are always same, but in some, exceptional conditions, these gaps will change, as friends. Like this year COVID situation. Due to this, on 25th December, we can see policy repo rate was 4%. On 25th December 2020, we can see policy repo rate was 4%, but reverse repo rate is 3.35%. Actually, the reverse repo rate should be 0.25% less than repo rate. So it might be 3.75%. But here, the reverse repo rate is 3.35% due to this COVID situation. Anyways, friends, marginal standing facility rate is 4.25% only. This is the penal, that 0.5% is a penal rate, right? So marginal standing facility is 4.25%. Okay, friends. Anyway, we have bank can borrow money from RBA through repo window, right? Then what is the necessity of marginal standing facility, friends? Everyone has a doubt, right? Why marginal standing facility is needed? Everyone has a doubt, right? Banks can borrow banks can borrow money from RBA through repo window, right? So even though repo window is there, what is the necessity for the banks to what is the necessity for the banks to have marginal standing facility? What is the necessity, friends? Okay, why margin standing facility is needed, friends? I'll explain you in detail, friends. See, friends, banks can borrow funds under margin standing facility when they don't have excess SLR securities. When they don't even have excess SLR securities, still they can borrow money from the RBA by using this marginal standing facility. Friends, don't worry, I'll explain you in detail. See, friends, if banks have excess government bonds over and above the SLR securities, then they can borrow money from the RBA through repo window. Yes, friends. Yes, but but in case some banks don't have excess SLR securities, still they can draw down on their holdings of SLR securities, borrow money from the RBA at the marginal standing facility. Okay, friends. So that's why we can call it as penal rate, friends. Okay, friends. That's why. So even though banks don't have excess SLR securities, still they can draw down on their holdings of SLR securities and borrow money from the RBI at marginal standing facility. So that's why marginal standing facility is required for the banks. Okay, friends. I can conclude here, friends, that marginal standing facility is helpful to reduce the volatility in the overnight interest rate. Why, friends? Suppose, friends, if marginal standing facilities wouldn't be there, mm, and repo limit also exhausted, then banks have an option to borrow money from the call money market, right? See, friends, always demand for money affects the interest rate. Yes, friends. So, um, in this way, with this choose demand, with this tight liquidity situation, leads to the rise in the call money market rate also, right? Okay, friends. With this choose with this choose demand and tight liquidity situation, call money market rate also increases. Yes, friends. So in overnight, the call money rate also increases. Yes, friends. So RBI uses this repo rate and marginal standing facility as the mechanisms to prevent day-to-day volatility in the interest rate. Okay, friends. Okay, friends. So I can conclude here that this marginal standing facility is required to ensure smooth monetary transmission in financial system. It's very helpful for the banking system to ensure smooth monetary transmission in the financial system. I hope, friends, you understood till here, right?